In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows security not working Windows 10. Method 1. Windows Security Services. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. Here, you need to search Security Center, Windows Defender Advanced Threat Protection, and Windows Defender Firewall. If you find either of the services not running, then right-click and select Start. Method 2. Reset Windows Security. Click in Search. Type Windows Security. Click on App Settings. Scroll it down. First, click on Terminate. Then click on Reset, and again, click on Reset. So that's how you can fix Windows security not working Windows 10. If these methods didn't resolve your issue, check out other solutions linked in the I button above. See you in the next video.